Well, we're back at it again. We've obviously mocked up all the LS1 and the gearbox and everything like that. Welded in all the mounts, sorted all that out. Painted up the engine bay and sort of basically getting it ready to put the motor and box and everything back in. The motor's over the road at the moment at JV Mechanical at a mate's shop. He's installing the cam package and putting all the manifold and everything like that, getting it all basically ready to slot it back in the hole, and then basically we can do fuel system and stuff like that and hopefully kick it in the guts soon. But a lot's happened since then. We've finished off the tunnel, done all the customised the cross member for the gearbox, done all the engine mounts, done a bit of spray painting, well, bed liner in the inside the cab. Yeah, it's been all sorts going on. Come here. Yep. All good? Yep. This has a purpose to have the filter out the bonnet. Yeah, so a street legal car, it's a waste of time.
You're not street legal anyway.
Well, your car is road registered. Is this ever going to be on a road?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm no permit, but that's different.
Just one. Oh, hang on. I'll lift the gearbox. You.
That with a hammer gun.
Is that coating?
Yeah. Well, not only that, look. Give that a touch up. I think we're pretty good anyway, though.
Oh, you made that side a bit longer. I don't like it.
Where's the nut off that nut? Before you keep going down?
On the deck.
Oh. I'm a photographer. Don't break bend the things though.
There we go. Something's been.
Cheers. Yeah. I'm going to just cut it from the inside, you reckon? Disappointed.
Brother.
Sit that on again and drill.
Thing of the bonnet, you know.
Another bonnet? You'll be like, fucking hell, you cut up a bonnet like that?
This was me one night, but full of this.
I just looked at you like, what?
It's been a long day. Oh, you're gonna have to cut the front of the bonnet out. Too much.
You reckon?
Oh.
Nah, motor moving and shit.
Yeah, that's fine. Just anything with the air filter at the bonnet. It could be your mum's Pulsar. And if it had an air filter at the bonnet, it's mint. What do you reckon?
Almost.
Oh, the pulse actually helps.